I'm Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and this video is to demonstrate the fitment for 16-inch wheels and 285/75R16 tires on a stock 2- and 4-door non-lifted Sport Sahara and Rubicon JK. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. 285/75R16 tires are the metric equivalent to a 33-inch tire, and the combination of a 33-inch tire with a 16-inch wheel is a very popular setup with owners that have a stock, non-lifted JK, as you can see from the pictures provided by JK owners. This wheel and tire combo will fit all non-lifted stock 2- and 4-door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JKs without needing to do any modifications. This setup is ideal for those of you who aren't lifting your JK but want a more aggressive look or stance with bigger wheels and tires. Customers running this setup are mainly staying to the road with the occasional light off-roading. Obviously, 33-inch tires are larger than stock tires, so clearance in the wheel well area will be a little bit tighter compared to a stock wheel and tire setup. Running 33s on your stock non-lifted JK is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving. This setup is free from rubbing any suspension components and even the stock bumper. In off-road situations, you will have enough clearance for light to mild off-roading. In off-roading situations that will require a lot of articulation, you may experience some rubbing. If you do want to get involved in more serious off-roading, we suggest having a leveling kit or a lift kit installed, and you can find that right here on our site. There are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33-inch tire. When driving on road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish with 33s compared to your stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 2 to 3 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change of the bigger tires. Not a big deal, but most Jeep owners just keep that in mind while driving. This can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which you can also find right here on our site. Again, this setup of 33-inch tires with 16-inch wheels is very popular with our customers and will give your JK a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we will make it easy for you to get these on your JK. You can have these mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then just have a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any other questions about this wheel and tire setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak to one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of our other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.